Good morning, dear traders. Amit Trivedi with Ganelia Traders once again. So today's chart is BalKrisInd Industries. So here we are. Let's do it 1 hour, and here we have like it is 2504. So it's a buy between 2480 and 2500 or 2495. So if it comes down to like somewhere between 2490, 2495, or 2480. It's a buy and stop loss will be 2440 or below that. Maybe no, 2440 is a stop loss, and you buy between 2480 and 2495. So let's analyze it on a daily chart. Yeah, here also this is we have got this breakout at 2420 or 2470. Yesterday was a breakout, and today it's resuming its uptrend. So target would be, yeah, targets are much higher. For targets, let's analyze it on a weekly chart. Mm, yeah, on a weekly chart we can say 28. Yeah, one more thing. It's been on a multi-year high or all-time high. So when this stock is on an all-time high, we may not assume that how far it may go. Like it may go up to 2800, 2900, or 3000. Within this swing, we may not know. Even if it for some time on a profit booking, if it may come down somewhere between like 24, yeah, here 23, 2290. Even then, if we like exit at a stop loss 2440, and if it comes down between 2300 or 2050, this would be a buy again. So let's see. Yeah, this is a good buy because it is at a multi-year or all-time high. So before I close this, like I would like to say disclaimer: this is not a buy or sell recommendation. This is my technical interpretation based on charts, and this is for education purpose only. This is not a buy or sell recommendation, and all disclaimers related to stock market are applicable here. Thank you. Take care. Happy trading. Yeah, before that, I would like to say that I am here. 2490, I have bought it. So, yeah, this I am also already long in this stock. Thank you. Take care.